the Chinese government just issued a huge mandate that said to ban all iPhones for government employees. I mean, in a country of, a billion plus, that's hundreds of millions of employees having to get rid of their iPhones, which is the phone of choice, in China, resulting in all those cancellations. And Apple taking a huge hit, about just plus 2% of its stock, equating to about $200 billion lost.
Wow.
That's crazy.
So the question is whether or not they could make up that setback. I mean, do you think that China is doing this because they're afraid of the escalation that's happening between them and the United States of breaching
I,
some personal data?
I think so.